(2022) Renault Taliant. Before we start, please subscribe our channel, and click the notification bell, so that you will be notified for the new video upload. The Turkish representative office of Renault has announced a new subcompact sedan Taliant, which differs from the related Romanian Dacia Logan not only by the emblem. Turkey is a unique country in terms of auto business. Renault and Dacia brands are simultaneously represented on the local market. They divide the market between themselves as follows: Renault sells relatively prestigious and expensive models, Clio, Symbol, Megane, Talisman, Capture, Cadre, and Koleos. Dacia utilitarian, Sandero, Duster, Docker, and Logi. Dacia has already introduced the new generation Sandero hatchback to the Turkish market on the modular CMFB platform. The Romanian version debuted last fall, together with the Logan sedan, and Renault is still selling the old Symbol, that is, the Turkish Logan on the B0 platform, localized at the OIC plant, Renault in Bursa. But the change is already underway. The successor was given the name Taliant to emphasize the increased level of consumer qualities. They say, a modern trolley, more comfort and a much cooler design. The Turkish Taliant differs from the Romanian new Logan by a false front grille with a proprietary Renaissance cutout, larger headlights with LED daytime running lights squiggles, a larger cutout in the front bumper with chrome decor, repeating that of the false front grille, and original tail lights that go in. There are no photos of the salon yet, but it will certainly have its own peculiarities. Renault Taliant will be on sale in the middle of this year. The engine line has not yet been announced. The main intrigue is whether the Taliant inherits from Symbol an economical and high-torque 1.5-liter diesel engine with 95 horsepower and 220 Nm of torque. The new Turkish Dacia Sandero does not offer this engine, but it has a gas version. The interior images have not been provided, although it is unlikely to stray away from the donor car. It should be the most spacious models in its class, not that there are many sedans left in the B segment anyway now that crossovers and SUV have taken over. The Turkish Renault Taliant, in theory, the Latin American should debut. In patent documents it surfaced last year, but media write that due to the latest perturbations in Group Renault, the model may be very delayed, or not appear at all, since Luca de Meo, the head of the French company, wants to promote in this region primarily crossovers on the CMFB platform, and they are not yet represented even in Romania, the new Duster and its larger brother Bigster. Renault Turkey will have the Taliant on sale by mid-2021. What do you think of 2022 Renault Taliant? Let us know of your comments. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share to our channel for more updates. Thank you very much for watching.